Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Belle Femme, and my name is Bhavya. And if you are new to my channel, please make sure you hit the subscribe button and to the notification bell so that you can see all of my new videos. Okay, so let's commencer. Guys, today's video is all about the wonderful magical face pack Vaim Ayurveda Roop Saundarya Deep Cleansing Face Pack, and it is made with pure rose petal powder, arjun powder, rose clay powder and castor oil. So guys, I've been using this product from last 2 months and I'm loving this product, and I will show you the product. This is a product. This is Vaim Ayurveda, and guys, this is an wonderful and amazing product, and I wanna tell you about this product. This is made to heal your Swadhisthana beauty chakra, a beauty chakra which concentrates on self-care. And this pure rose clay petal powder, it unclogs the pores by absorbing impurities such as dirt, makeup and oil from the skin. It traps moisture into skin cells for well hydrated, healthy and glowing skin. And combining ancient knowledge with modern age science, we bring purity in the form of Vaim Ayurveda. And while you use this product, you feel like as if you are in a rose garden, as if you are in a heaven. So guys, I have been using this product from last 2 months, and I will recommend you this product. 100% pure and genuine, and you can use every skin type people, they use this product. This is 100% pure and is like very nice. So guys, I will show you how to use this on my skin. So I will tell you. And one more thing, the highlight of this product is this wooden small spatula like spoon. This is like a very beautiful and very small, and it's like a rosewood, made with rosewood. The smell, the fragrance is also like rose, pure rose. Like very oh my god, it's very nice. So guys, I'll show you. You have to take this much of powder according to your face. You have to take this much of powder in a bowl like this, and you have to mix this. I am mixing this powder with water. You can mix this with rose water also. I'm using this with plain water, and I'm mixing this powder with my finger. You can use this, you can mix this, you can make a paste with a spoon or brush, your wish. I'll add more powder in it. While mixing, the smell is like heaven. Wow. I will show you how to apply on face. See guys, the face pack is ready to use. You have to apply like this. You can see on my skin there is no makeup on my skin, only I applied lipstick. So you can apply like this. You can use this face pack twice in a week or thrice in a week. if you want immediate glow on your face, if you want to go to like in a party or in a marriage, or if you want immediate glow on your face, so you can use this face pack. Hey guys, it's like this. Like this, and you have to wait for 5 to 10 minutes, let it dry. So guys, I'm feeling so refreshing, so soothing. See guys, I've washed my face. I'm feeling so fresh, and you can see my face looks very fresh, very clean. So guys, you go right now and order this product from purplle.com. And guys, if you like my video, please make sure you subscribe my channel, and please hit the bell icon to watch more videos of mine. So guys, please encourage my channel, and please love me and like me, and God bless you. Take care and love the planet. Okay, bye.